how to get or how to use Instagram selfie features. That is the new latest updated features of Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use selfie features on your Instagram DMs. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, this is the latest updated features of Instagram. So let me just go to Play Store first of all, and then let me just go to Play Store, and then here you have to just update your Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram, and after updating your Instagram, what you need to do, let me just go to Instagram app. Here, this is my Instagram app. So here what you have to do, let me just go here on the DM section. You can see here, so simply click on this DM section, and then let me just go here. Okay, so after going here, let me just click on the sticker icon. Here you can see you will find a latest selfie features that is very cool. Let me just click here, and then here you can see you can get the so like you can just click on time off, time on, and also you can just boomerang. Here you can see it's on a boomerang. So it's, you can see here it's something cool, so you can use like this. So I hope this video will absolutely helpful for you, and also if you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. See you soon on the next video.